gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Good, good. Good. Good, good. Palakpak naman dyan, no? Yun, no?
Go! Sige, bumba na. Sige, huwag na magkahok. Sige na. Tira na.
Good. Good, B. Go. B.
Go!
Stop. Go. You know winner. Genson. Go. Bakbakan, guys.
Elbow ba?
Sabi ko na eh.
Natin ang bakbakan kung sino magkama dito dalawa. Mapipigilan ba ang atake ni Kuya Ray? Masasol ba? Wala case move si Kuya Ray. Natin.
Alright!
Sino mag-uugusan sa dalawa? Okay na, hold the case move.
Ayan.
Kakal-grade si Sir Calvin. At naglalaban sila sa taas. Pero nakuha ang control ni Sir Calvin. Pero may position pa rin si Kuya Ray.
Good yan, Tuloy.
Good.
Tuloy. Tingin sa kamay. Tingin sa kamay. Wala sa ikaw titingin, no?
Ganda na namin ah.
Tingin na sa kamay. Good. Palakpak naman. Representing ng panahon, no? Tingin sa kamay, ha? Tingin sa kamay. Wala pa, good.
Good. Wala pa.
Good.
Ay, elbow.
Ay, tama. Foul.
Oh, win. Oh, boss. Naubos.
Good. Ayun na. Good.
Okay, so, hand control by Sabanal. Okay, nakuha ang hand control ni Sir Calvin.
Win.
Elbow foul.
You know, palakpakan naman natin si Adol Christian, no? You know. Talaga makakabalik ko ng tarawa. You know, foul. Tinawagan ng foul. You know, Pasay versus Laguna. Palakpak naman dyan, mga idol, no? You know, good. Winner, Laguna, Kalamba.
Man.
Winner. Tingin. Good.
Tingin, oy.
Good. Good. Tingin sa kamay, Jasper. Tingin sa kamay, Jasper. Tingin sa kamay, Jasper. Oh, ang tawag?
Elbow foul, elbow foul.
Good. 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 Mukhang naubos ni Sir Mike. Yun, no? Oh. Strap match. One. Strap. Good. Palakpak naman dyan. Ayan na. Ayan na. Anong tawag?
Pwedeng tawagan ng warning? Total, one foul naman yan.
Bumay na, Jas. Tingin.
Hold lang. Hold na lang. Hold na lang.
Win, Jasper.
Boss na iisipin.
Winner, Ray. Punch to
Strap match. Brought to you by
Nakapronik.
Good. Good. Mataas.
Pataas! Ang shoulder, ang kailangan. Elbow foul, patanga. Good dyan. Ang tawag? One foul. Two foul. Ilan pa? Winner, Sean.
Di pa
Okay, so team by Cesar Del Laguna. Alright, natin kung ubra. Ang lakas ng tagawan sa Pasay. Okay, so hand control, nagdalaban sila sa taas. Magsislip ba o magkahawakan? Okay, strap match.
Go.
Bumay mo na.
Good. Good. Pin tayo. Winner. Jasper.
Wala, yan na. Huli mo na.
Ang tawag, elbow foul by Gibson, elbow foul.
Sarap mo na.
Good. Tingin sa kamay, Jasper. Good job. Good job. Oh, ang tawag is strap match. Palakpak naman dyan, mga... Oy! Flash pin by Gibson. Next match.
Coronation, sir. Yan.
Pataas!
Wala pa. Good.
Pataas!
Go! Elbow foul. Go! Elbow. Punta ko rin, bro. Sorry, sinta ko rin. Freeze. Go! Go! Taas. Good. Okay, elbow. Let's go! Good. Pin. Malakay na. Freeze. Go! Elbow foul. Sean. Sige mo. Ngayon lang. Elbow foul ka pa rin. Go! Good. Taas. Elbow ulit. Elbow foul. Elbow.
Lying alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.